All right, listen, your outreach sucks. And I don't mean to hurt your feelings, but let's be honest. Your team's out here spamming, just circling back like it's going to win someone over. You're copying templates that you Googled at 3 a.m. like it's a college term paper. And your prospects, they're deleting your emails faster than you can hit send. And here's the thing, cold email does work, but not the way you're doing it. At Viral Growth Media, we cracked the code. We built a system that sends 1 million emails a month, books 6,600 qualified meetings, and here's the crazy part. It doesn't piss people off. Why? Because we let AI do the heavy lifting, and no, I don't mean spammy, robot sounding crap. I mean smart, human level, like, how the hell did you know this about me? Outreach. Here's the system and why it's not like the BS that you've tried in the past. It's a simple 4-step system where 1, we analyze the lead. 2, we enrich the data. 3, we craft the message. And 4, we send with personalization. This isn't another spammy bot. It's research obsessed, personalization driven system. Now this right here, this is the money. It's our 4-step process deep dive, and it works so well that it actually kind of feels like witchcraft. Let me break it down for you. Step 1, we want to analyze the lead. Are they even worth your time? This is where 90% of outreach falls apart. Most people just blast emails to everyone with a LinkedIn profile. That's like dating by DMing everyone on Instagram. It's lazy and it never works. Our system, we qualify the hell out of these leads. The AI looks at, are they hiring like crazy? That's a company that's growing and we want in. Did they just raise $10 million? Perfect. They got cash and I'm about to show them how to spend it. Are they stuck in barely surviving mode? We skip those people. No free advice here. This step saves you hours of chasing bad leads. And by the way, your sales team will thank you for not making them pitch to broke companies. Step 2, enrich the data. This is where we go full Sherlock Holmes on these leads. And I don't mean creepy stalker level. It's just enough to know what makes them tick. Here's what we're pulling. Hiring activity. Are they building a sales team? Cool. We can help them onboard and close deals faster. 2, funding news. Did they just raise capital? Amazing. Let's show them how to use it without blowing it all on kombucha for the break room. Then we also looked at LinkedIn post. If they're sharing tips on leadership or disruption, we're about to flip those insights into action. This used to take our team hours. Now, the AI does it all in minutes, and it's more accurate than your intern who spends half the day scrolling on TikTok. Now, let's go into step 3, which is choosing the perfect message variant. Here's where it gets good. If your emails look anything like the, hey, first name, I'd love to hop on a quick call, you're done. Finito. That's not outreach. That's a cry for help. Our AI takes all the juicy data that we just pulled and writes emails that feel personalized. Like this. If they just raised $10 million, then the message says, congrats on securing funding. Let's talk about scaling your sales team without burning them out. If they're hiring like crazy, it writes, looks like you're building a killer team. We'll help them close deals faster than you can onboard them. No news? AI still finds a way. Like, loved your latest LinkedIn post. Here's an idea to turn those insights into revenue. It's like having a sales rep who actually cares, but better because this one doesn't sleep or complain about coffee in the office. Now let's go into step 4, which is sending dynamic messaging at scale. Personalized dynamic messaging at scale. This is really the best part. We send these emails at scale, but they don't feel like scale. Every email is customized with their name, company, and relevant insights, a tone that sounds like it's coming from a real person, not a robot pretending to care. And you know what that gets? Replies! Real ones. Like, wow, this feels so personalized. Let's talk. Now I know what you're thinking. Does this really work? And will it work for me? That's a great question. Okay, here's a SaaS company that we worked with. They were sending 50,000 emails a month with fewer replies than your friend who won't stop posting motivational quotes. After switching to our systems, They got 1,800 qualified meetings in just 1 month. And there's also a logistics firm. They closed 1.5 million in deals by targeting companies right after funding announcements. This isn't magic. It's relevance and personalization powered by AI. You're probably wondering why most outreach fails. And I'll tell you why your outreach is flopping harder than a bad startup pitch. You're blasting generic templates, you're wasting time on unqualified leads, and your messaging screams, I Googled cold email tips and this is what I came up with. That's what's getting you the low reply rates, the sales team burnout, and just wasted time on irrelevant leads. If that's you, don't worry, we've all been there. But now it's time to step it up because there's really no excuse. Let's talk numbers. Most companies spend $10,000 or more a month on outreach, tools, agencies, wasted time. Our system costs less and saves your team 30 hours or more a week and generates insane results like 6,600 meetings a month, 1.5 million in closed deals. This isn't just ROI, it's making money rain. So if your outreach is getting you ghosted, burning out your sales team, or falling flat against your competition, here's the move. Book a call at viralgrowthmedia.io and my team will audit your current outreach for free, show you exactly how this system will work inside of your own business, and help you start booking qualified meetings like clockwork. Or just keep sending, just circling back emails and wondering why nobody's replying. Your choice. But if you're ready to do outreach that actually works, book a call at viralgrowthmedia.io and let's make it happen.